Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to watch movies, web series, and live content for free on your Android TV, Google TV, or Fire TV? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install the MobiFlix APK step by step. The process is super easy, and within a few minutes, you'll have everything ready on your TV. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes. Always stream content legally and use apps responsibly. Step 1: Enable unknown sources. First, go to Settings on your TV. Now open Security or Privacy Settings. Find the option called Install Unknown Apps. Enable permission for the browser or file manager you'll use to install the APK. Step 2: Install Downloader app. Now go to the App Store on your TV. Search for an app called Downloader. Step 3: Download MobiFlix APK. Inside Downloader, click on the URL box. Now enter the APK download link shown on your screen. After typing the link, click Go. The MobiFlix APK file will now start downloading. Step 4: Install the APK. Once the download is complete, the installation window will appear automatically. Click Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation process to finish. Now click Done or Open. Conclusion. And that's it. This is how you can install MobiFlix APK on Android TV, Google TV, and Fire TV. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more TV app tutorials and streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.